Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is a cyclical energy-producing series of reactions that ultimately produces 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, and 1 ATP. The NADH and FADH2 produced in the Krebs cycle are used to produce large amounts of ATP by oxidative phosphorylation in the electron transport chain. Before the Krebs cycle can officially start, pyruvate produced from glycolysis in the cytosol is transported into the mitochondrial matrix. There it is converted into acetyl-CoA by pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. This complex of 3 enzymes requires 4 vitamins in their cofactor form, including pantothenic acid as coenzyme A, thiamine as thiamine pyrophosphate, NAD+ from niacin, and FAD from riboflavin. 1 NADH is formed from NAD+ during this step. Pyruvate can also be converted to oxaloacetate by pyruvate carboxylase when oxaloacetate is low. This enzyme requires biotin for this reaction. Now the Krebs cycle can start. Citrate synthase catalyzes the reaction of acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate into citrate. Iconitase then catalyzes the conversion of citrate into isocitrate. In the next step, isocitrate is converted to alpha-ketoglutarate by isocitrate dehydrogenase. This reaction produces an NADH from NAD+. Next, alpha-ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl-CoA by alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. This reaction produces a second NADH and is dependent on TDP from thiamine and coenzyme A from pantothenic acid. Next, succinyl-CoA is converted to succinate by succinyl-CoA synthase, producing a guanosine diphosphate, or GTP, which can be converted to ATP by substrate-level phosphorylation. Succinate is then converted to fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase. This step produces the 1-FADH2 that results from each term of the Krebs cycle. Remember that FAD comes from riboflavin. Fumarate is then converted to malate by fumarase. Next, malate is converted back to oxaloacetate by malate dehydrogenase. This step produces the third and final NADH of the Krebs cycle. Now we are back to where we began, except that we have produced 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, and 1 ATP. The FADH2 and NADH can continue on to the inner mitochondrial membrane to participate in the electron transport chain. That concludes my presentation on the TCA cycle. I hope you enjoyed.